Hey guys, Riding with Jay here, back with another quick video. So today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on my 2015 Kawasaki 300. It should be the same from 2013 to 2017. It's very simple. There's only 3 fasteners that you got to remove, along with one fairing piece. Alright, so to begin, we're just going to be removing this one Allen head bolt right here. It's a 5mm. There is a washer in behind it, so you're going to want to remember to make sure you don't lose a little washer with the collar. Just put that aside. Next, you're going to be removing this fairing piece, which is on the right side of the bike. So there's 2 tabs right here, and there's 1 tab back here that you're going to want to remove. So gently just give a good tug on this side, all pop free, and then you just roll it out like that and put it down in a safe spot. Next, you're going to be removing these 3 Phillips head screws, so 1, 2, 3, and that's going to give you access to the engine air filter housing. So just remove those 3 fasteners. So once you have those 3 fasteners out of the way, then there's just the cover that you're going to remove. Just make sure that the rubber seal is still intact and it's not stuck onto the bike. And then you just take the air filter and you just slide it right out. Yep, so that's the air filter. So you can see it's a little bit dirty, you know. It's not too bad, but it's always best to have it clean. So all you're going to do is just remove the air filter from this housing case. So to remove the filter, there's 1 fastener as part of the filter housing here and 1 there. So all you're going to do is just apply a little bit of pressure, and this pops apart like that, and you're going to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing. So now this is apart, so I'm going to discard the old filter, grabbing the new one, making sure that the hole here lines up with the little locating dowel right there. So you're just going to put that in right through there, and then the other side you're going to push through the hole here, just making sure that it clicks. So it should look like that once it's through, so it can't back off. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's going to push and make sure that it's through. So now that you have the filter, you're just going to go ahead and reinsert it into the bike. So now that you have the filter back installed into the bike, what you're going to do, just reverse order. So you're going to take your cover, just making sure that the gasket is in place still. You're going to be putting that back here. Then you're going to be reinstalling your screws. You can do this and tighten them down. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. And then you're going to be installing your fairing piece. You're going to be putting that back in. So the same deal to remove it. Remember, there's the 2 grommets right here and 1 back here. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna wanna line it up. Kind of have to tuck it in under. And then reinstall your fairing bolt, which is a 5mm. We're just going to be reinstalling that. And that's it. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.